Kabalo pa mo sa trabaho sa technician installer? Kaning technician installer, hiring ni ani niya for Tacloban. So kaning trabaho ani niya, mo ni sila kadtong mag-ayo or magtaod og internet connection per balay-balay. So, converge ang ato ang product ani niya or atong internet provider. So, nanginahanglan mi og 30 ka technician installer for Tacloban for ASCO Converge. So, kag itong ganahan mo apply, send lang inyong updated resume with active contact number para anytime ka pwede matawagan, anytime ka ma-interview. Okay? Thank you so much. Once again, this is Jenny, your recruiter from Cebu. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.